Hello and welcome back. For this recipe, I'll be talking you through how I made one of my high school favorites, which is called kodo. This is basically made with Garri, cassava flakes, and sardine with some seasoning. So, in a bowl, add 1 cup of Garri flakes. You can use white or yellow, whatever you prefer. To it, add your seasoning. So, I'm using Maggi, thyme, garlic powder, dried pepper. I'm going to stir this generously. You mix this very well. Add 1 can of sardine. I'm currently using some mackerel. So if you've got sardine, please use it. If you have mackerel, also use it. Any canned fish. Mix well, mix very well. Add to it 3 tablespoons of water and mix generously. I also added to it some parsley. Yes, you can skip this or you can add it if you've got dry parsley. Then you add some salt to taste if you feel it's lacking and you serve. Serve by itself or with some limca, malt, Coke, Fanta, whatever cold drink you prefer. So give it a taste, let us know what you think about it, if it's something you're going to like. Put a comment in the comment section below if you've actually tried this, and we'll see you on the next food recipe. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and also leave a comment. Thank you and God bless you. Here is kodo. Mm.